Tēnā anō tātou, I roti te manaki tango tō tātou ariki, Maramatanga In A Minute, day 16. Kia ora. Tātou.
Kia ora.
And that's Manaia.
I can introduce myself.
He can introduce
Kia ora, I'm
himself.
Manaia.
Alright, that's who he is. And you might see him jumping in our videos here and there. Yeah. So, last 5 videos we covered some verses straight out of the pipe era and linking them to the events of the 8th of November. So in this video and the next couple of videos to come, we'll be looking at the relationship of between Ratana and Kiingitanga. Probably relevant time to look at that as we go into the Koroneihana. So I've already talked about a specific person, Tupu Taingakawa, in one of my earlier videos, and so I guess looking at him, he was the kingmaker at the time, Wiremu Tamihana's son. So he came to Ratana in December 1920. There's also a lot of history in terms of what happened in 1933 and 1934. We'll look into that in some other videos. But basically, Tupu Taingakawa pretty much planted a seed for relationship building in 1920. So Tupu came to Ratana, visited Ratana, and pretty much said to him, Ratana, I haven't come here for the healing of the body, but I have come here for the healing of the whenua. So Ratana responded to him and said, ai, kei te pai, korero pai tēnā, tūtahi, me hoki tō tātai Maori, I rari a ihua, mana e tohu I te arama mātou. So, ai, just another Maramatanga in a long minute, whānau. But yeah, over the next couple of videos, we'll be looking at the relationship between Ratana and Kiingitanga. So, the purpose of tonight is to understand that in 1920, Tupu Taingakawa comes, he plants a seed for relationship building between Ratana and Kiingitanga. Tupu Taingakawa, December 1920. Kia ora.